How to pay Bank of America credit card bills. Hi everyone. To effectively manage the credit card and unsecured personal loan debt, being proactive is essential. Paying even a small amount above the minimum payment can significantly reduce your credit card balances, and consistent, timely payments are beneficial. For that, you have to first go ahead and open the Bank of America application or their website, and then simply log into your account by entering the user ID and the password in the first and the second field and click on Login. Once you're logged in, your credit card payment details containing your due amount will appear here. Click on the tab and select the From option to input your bank account details. Now go to the Account tab from the home screen and then click on the More button, and under it, select the Bill Pay option. Copy any bank account and routing numbers to add as a bank payment option on the service provider's website, and go to the Bank of America account tab and paste the bank account details under the From tab. Your account details are successfully saved, and next, select the payment amount and payment date. Once done, click on the Next button, and the final step is to verify all the information, and then once you have verified, you can click on the Schedule button to make your payment. So this was all about it. This is how you can pay the Bank of America credit card bills. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching.